Have you ever said, I'm fine, when you were actually feeling not fine at all? Maybe you were tired or stressed or just having a bad day, but you didn't know the right words to say?
It happens all the time, especially when you're learning a new language. You want to say more, but you feel stuck with the basic words.
Well, you're in the right place. Hello and welcome back to English Boost Studio. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We create conversations to help you learn real, everyday English.
Today, we're talking about something very important for real life: how to talk about your feelings in English, moving beyond just happy and sad.
Exactly. We're going to have a natural chat, teach you some fantastic new words, and give you simple phrases you can start using right away.
So, if you're ready to express yourself better and connect with people, keep watching.
So, Emily, how are you feeling today? And I mean, really feeling.
You know what? I'm feeling really content. It's a sunny day, we're making this video, and I had a good cup of coffee this morning. I'm just peaceful and satisfied. How about you, Paul?
Hmm, I'm okay. But I have to be honest, I'm also feeling a little anxious.
Oh, what's going on?
Well, I have a big meeting later this afternoon, a presentation. My heart feels a bit fast just thinking about it. You know that feeling?
I know that feeling very well. So you're feeling anxious. That's a much better word than just nervous, right? It's stronger. It's that mix of worry and nerves.
Yes, exactly. And last night I was feeling overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. That's a great word. It means you have too much to think about or too much to do.
Yes, I was preparing for this meeting, I had emails to answer, and my sister called with a problem. I just sat there and thought, I can't handle all of this right now. I felt completely overwhelmed.
I think everyone feels like that sometimes. What did you do?
I took a deep breath. I made a list. Just writing things down made me feel less overwhelmed. Then I did one small thing, finished one email, and suddenly it felt more manageable.
That's perfect. So you moved from feeling overwhelmed to feeling more in control. See, we're already using some excellent words for feelings.
We are. And this is exactly what we want to teach our friends at English Boost Studio. Let's talk about more feelings. Let's start with the good ones, the positive feelings. Emily, tell me about a recent positive feeling.
Okay, last weekend I finally finished a big project I was working on for months. When I sent the final email, I felt incredibly relieved.
Relieved. I love that feeling.
It's like a heavy weight is gone from your shoulders. You were worried or stressed about something, and then it's finished. Ah, relief.
Yes, I felt relieved after my dentist appointment last week. I was so nervous about it, and then when it was over, I was just relieved.
Perfect example. Now, another positive feeling, grateful. Or you can say thankful. It means you appreciate something or someone.
Oh, that's an important one. I feel grateful for my family. I feel thankful when a friend helps me. It's a warm, happy feeling inside.
Beautiful. You can say, I'm so grateful for your help, or I feel thankful to have you in my life.
Now, what about proud? When was the last time you felt proud, Emily?
I felt proud of my niece yesterday. She's only 7 and she was afraid to ride her bike without training wheels, but she tried again and again, and finally she did it. Her face was amazing. She was so proud of herself, and I felt proud of her too.
That's wonderful. You can feel proud of yourself or proud of someone else. I'm proud of my progress in English. She's proud of her team.
Now, life isn't always positive, right? So we need words for the difficult feelings too. It's healthy to talk about them. Paul, you mentioned feeling anxious earlier. What's another difficult feeling you've had recently?
Let me think. Oh, I felt really frustrated yesterday.
Frustrated. That's a very common one. It's when you feel annoyed because something is difficult or because you can't do something you want to do.
Yes, I was trying to put together a new bookshelf. The instructions were confusing and I couldn't find the right screw. After an hour, I just felt so frustrated. I almost wanted to give up.
We've all been there. Technology frustrates me. When my computer is slow, I get very frustrated.
Exactly. So we are frustrated. What about disappointed? That's different from sad.
Good point. Disappointed is when you expect something good, but then it doesn't happen. It's not a strong sadness, it's more like a letdown.
For example, I was disappointed when my favorite cafe was closed. I was really looking forward to my coffee there.
Or, I was disappointed with the movie. The reviews were good, but I didn't like it.
Now, a stronger feeling, embarrassed. Oh, I have a good story for that.
Do tell.
Last week, I was in a video call for work. I thought I was on mute. I started singing a song loudly, and then I saw everyone on the screen looking at me. I was not on mute.
Oh no, Paul, that's so embarrassing.
It was. My face became so red. I felt so embarrassed. I wanted to disappear.
I felt embarrassed once when I called my teacher mom by accident in high school. Everyone laughed.
It happens to everyone, but it's a strong, uncomfortable feeling in the moment.
Let's talk about a quieter but very important feeling, lonely.
That's a deep one. You can feel lonely even when you are with people. It's a feeling of being alone, of not connecting with others.
Yes, when I first moved to a new city, I felt lonely because I didn't know anyone. It's not about being physically alone, it's about feeling alone inside.
That's why talking about feelings is so important. It helps with loneliness. When you share how you feel, you connect.
Absolutely. Okay, let's talk about how to actually say these things in a conversation. What's the simple structure, Paul?
The easiest way is I feel plus feeling word. I feel happy. I feel frustrated. I feel relieved.
Perfect. But to make it better, add because to explain why. I feel relieved because my exam is finished. I feel frustrated because my computer is slow.
You can also use when to describe the situation. I feel anxious when I have to speak in public. I feel grateful when my friends support me.
Now, for the past, just change feel to felt. I felt embarrassed yesterday. She felt proud of her work.
And if you felt this way for some time, you can say, I've been feeling stressed lately. He's been feeling more confident these days.
Great. Now, how do we ask other people instead of just, how are you?
You can ask, how are you feeling today? It sounds more caring. Or, is everything okay? You look a little tired. Or if someone is quiet, you can ask, you seem thoughtful. What's on your mind?
And when someone shares their feelings with you, it's important to listen and show you understand. This is called empathy.
You can say things like, I understand. That sounds difficult. I'm sorry to hear that. For good news, you can say, that's wonderful. I'm so happy for you.
Let's practice with a little conversation. Let's use some of these words. Paul, you start.
Okay. Hey, Emily, how was your day? You seem a bit quiet.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little discouraged, to be honest.
Discouraged. What's wrong?
I've been practicing guitar for months, but I feel like I'm not getting any better. I just tried to play a song and I made so many mistakes. I feel really frustrated with myself.
I understand. That sounds frustrating. But, learning an instrument takes a long time. I felt the same way when I was learning Spanish.
Really?
Yes, I was overwhelmed by all the grammar. But my teacher told me to focus on small wins. Maybe you learned one new chord this week. That's progress.
Hmm. I did learn a new chord yesterday. Actually, you're right. I think I'm just tired and being too hard on myself. Thanks for listening, Paul. I already feel a bit relieved just talking about it.
Anytime. I'm glad I could help. Remember, I'm always here if you want to talk.
See? That was a natural conversation using our feeling words.
Now, let's do a quick review of some of the key vocabulary we used today. We'll go a bit deeper.
First, anxious. It's stronger than nervous. It's a feeling of worry and fear about the future. She feels anxious about the job interview.
Overwhelmed. Too much. Too much work, too much information, too many feelings. I feel overwhelmed by all my choices.
Grateful, thankful, appreciation. I'm so grateful for your kindness.
Frustrated. Annoyed because of difficulties. The slow traffic frustrated him.
Relieved, happy because stress or worry is gone. He was relieved to hear the good news.
Disappointed. Sad because something was not as good as expected. The team was disappointed after losing the game.
Embarrassed, feeling uncomfortable and ashamed because of a silly mistake in front of others. She felt embarrassed when she spilled her drink.
Lonely. Sad because you are alone or feel disconnected. He felt lonely in the big city.
Proud, pleased and satisfied about an achievement. They were proud of their daughter's success.
And we also had content, which is a peaceful, satisfied happiness.
Wow, look at all those words. You now have so many more options than just happy and sad.
Remember, the goal is communication. Even if you make a small mistake, people will understand you better if you try to use these words.
Now, we want to hear from you. This is the most important part.
Our question for you today is, what is one feeling you experienced this week and why?
Yes, tell us in the comments below. Try to use the new words we learned. For example, you could write, "This week I felt frustrated because I couldn't understand an English movie." Or, "I felt grateful because my friend called me."
We read your comments all the time. We love hearing your stories and seeing your progress. Writing your answer is excellent English practice.
So please say hello and tell us how you're feeling. We're excited to read your comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really supports our channel.
And if you haven't subscribed to English Boost Studio yet, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. That way, you won't miss any of our natural English conversations.
Learning to express your feelings is a big step in mastering a language. It helps you make real friends and share your true self.
Keep practicing. Be brave. Try using one new feeling word today.
Thanks for watching, and great job today.
See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Goodbye.